Morning guys, Fabian Auto Talk here. We've got a Mark 6 GTI Golf in and it's having a very nice Milltek non-resonated exhaust. Hopefully we're going to try and get the customers to go stage 1 as well on the tune, and he'll get the full package on it and it'll be great. As you can see, we've got the old system off. It is only a Catback system, so it's a very short system. We're going to start unboxing the new system now. Nice big box. God, you're making this exhausting. So this exhaust, well actually, yeah, you like that one, didn't you? This exhaust is actually made to fit a decat downpipe as well, which is supplied by Milltek. This isn't having it, but you have a converter piece, which goes from stock size exhaust to aftermarket size. So it will slot over the original, and it will slot into the aftermarket. So the exhaust is all on now, the tips are done. We're going to go out, warm it up and get a little exhaust note. Right guys, that's the Milltek Catback done on the Mark 6 GTI. Hopefully you like the sound. I quite like it, it's nice and subtle. Some customers want them louder, some want them staying more towards stock. This one is a bit on the quiet side, but it has still got both cats in it. We'll probably advise him if he wants a bit more power gain after the remap, if he has it done, then to go to sports cats, and he'll get a bit more noise as well. We're all done here, back to the workshop now.